Going into 2014, our number one buck on the list was a buck we called Kader. We had a deer on camera that looked very young and he was a clean 8-pointer. We had an opportunity to maybe shoot him. Decided not to and see how he would age over the years. Now come to 2014, Kader 8 showed up on camera as a very clean 9-point big frame deer that was obviously mature, and that's where he derived the name Mr. Clean.
First season shotgun. We're up here in the tower blind, and we had a lot of action tonight. I've been watching a buck called Mr. Clean. He actually just stepped out and I took a shot with my muzzleloader. And halfway out there, and he ran directly into the corn. Don't know if I hit him or not.
This is it. This is it right there.
Look at that thing.
Oh yeah.
Mr. Clean, baby.
There he
Giant
is.
clean 9s, massive bladed 2s, just all around just
Oh
giant
wow!
deer.
Look at that.
Wait, one eyebrow bit.
Look at that, just face is just an old deer. Well, here we are, first day of first season shotgun, December 6th. We just had a lights out night tonight. 10 different bucks came out tonight, and then finally he came out on his own. He was heading straight for the standing cornfield. Had about a 75-yard shot, put the old Thompson center on him, and fired one right at him and hit him, and he went into the standing corn. This is a buck that we know way too well. We call him Mr. Clean, Kader 8. We've got pictures of him for the last 2 years. Last year he was just a clean 8-point with a couple kickers off his G2, and this year he just is a clean 9-point where he grew this side. The mom has had a lot of history with this deer, last year and this year.
Unfortunately, he was at 45 yards. I mean, I just can't win with this deer. 2 really pretty close encounters with him over the last couple years, and hopefully somebody takes him down.
The story of Mr. Clean finally comes to an end.
Mr. Clean, Mr. Clean, Mr. Clean.